welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. On today's video, it's another collab with my ladies of Beauty Over 40. And today's collab, we're just going to be doing summer fruit themed. Cool little theme, huh? Make sure you check out the other ladies. I put their links below. Make sure you check out their videos on the looks they done of their summer fruit theme. And also check out their clips, the looks they done. Awesome group of ladies. I love collabing with them. But okay, so my theme, I'm going with a watermelon theme. So the theme, I saw it from La Vie Prince or something like that. I hope I'm not destroying your name, I'm sorry, but just put it down below. So that's who I got this look from. So I'm just doing a recreation of his watermelon look. I like this, so I just want to recreate it to go with the whole summer fruit theme of our collab. So enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so I already have my face prepped and primed. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I done my brows off camera with my iconic London brow cushion. Now time to get into the eyes. So for the eyes, for the crease color, I'm going to start off with my Ace Beauty Blossom Passion palette. Starting off with color Red Rose in the crease. Okay, so for the brow bone, I'm using my white. This is in my Morphe 35B palette. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to use a green liner, and I'm going to use my Mayron Paradise AQ palette. And of course, I'm going to use the green. Now I'm going to go on top of the green liner with a yellow, but I'm going to kind of mix it to make it like a yellow green. So now I'm going to do the seeds, the watermelon seeds, as my cut crease, and I'm going to use my same Mayron Paradise AQ paint palette. I'm just going to start off with my little daughter tool. Now I'm going to do the other eye. I'll be back. Okay, so I completed this eye with the cut crease seeds. So now I'm going to do under the eyes because the green may have a little fallout, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer, the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is in C12.5. This is closer to my skin tone, so I'm going to use that and then apply the green shadow. Yeah, I keep forgetting this concealer smells. I'm going to use my Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise palette. Kiwi. Okay, so now that I completed the under eyes, now since the focus is mainly on my eyes and my lips, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, my foundation and powder and concealer and stuff. And then I'm going to come back to do the lips. So I completed the rest of my face off camera. Now time for the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to do red. That's my base. And I'm going to use my Dope Queens Cosmetics liquid lipstick and Cheeky Booty Shorts. Okay, so for the bottom, I'm gonna kind of do like, I'm gonna do the green for like the watermelon, just like the shell of the watermelon, kind of sort of. I'm going to use this dark green in my Morphe 35B palette. And now I'm going to use the same paint palette to do a couple of seeds on my lips. Okay guys, this is the completed look of my summer fruit makeup. And of course y'all see I went with watermelon. And please don't forget to check out the other ladies. I put their links below. But yeah, this was a fun collab of the summer fruits. I love doing extravagant things. That's why I wanted to do this recreation. Let me know what you guys think of this summer fruit. So yeah, just leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think. You know I love your feedback. And thank you so much guys for your support. Please stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed. Bye.